Tired of typing the same instructions every time you start Claude Code? Let's give it custom commands, yours, built in seconds. Type a /. Claude Code shows every command available, built-ins for resetting context, viewing costs, initializing a project, and more. Press Tab to filter. 2 commands you'll use daily. /clear empties the conversation when you switch tasks. /cost shows tokens and dollars spent. Both are instant. Run /init once. Claude reads your project, then writes a Claude Markdown file, a one-page summary of how the codebase works. From now on, every session starts with this context loaded automatically. Now make your own command. Create a Markdown file inside .claude/commands. The file name becomes the command. Inside, write the prompt Claude should run. Use it like a built-in. Type / your command name, hit enter. Claude runs the prompt against your project. Commit the folder and your team gets the same commands. 3 things to remember. / shows everything available. /init creates persistent project memory, and custom commands are just markdown files. Save these commands for later. The full sheet is linked in the description below. Try it now. Run Claude in your project, type /init, and watch Claude learn your codebase. Next episode, hooks, automating actions before and after Claude works. See you there.